Got these new rims. They're only like $40 for all four of them, so really $10 a rim. The tires on them are pretty bald, but for the most part they're not terrible. But it's fine because I'm not gonna be actually driving with them. But I kind of like the color too. It's like a red chrome. I think I'm gonna have to repaint them so that you can, or so that they look better. But yeah, they'll bolt right onto mine. They got the same bolt pattern and everything. Now I just gotta get them out of here and get them into the back of my truck. But they look really cool. They're a little bigger than these are 15s. The ones I have on my truck are 14s. So they will be a little bigger. But I just gotta put them in my truck for right now. So I should probably do that. Don't remember tires being this heavy. Well, that's good for it, huh? Where are you off to? Sit down. Oh, my stand broke. Look at that. High quality phone case. Oh, man. All fixed. There we go. All four of them right in here. Gonna replace these ones. They're a lot bigger. And a lot wider. I think it'll look a lot cooler. Alright. And here's the other thing I wasted some of my money on. This is a new mini bike frame. It's got brand new tires on it, even though they're like $50 a piece. So really, I guess I got a decent deal on it. But it has a snowmobile motor with a torque converter. Or not a snowmobile, a snowblower motor. So we gotta take that off. It turns out this will fit on my dad's rototiller, so I'm gonna sell it to him for $50. And I gotta buy a new motor. So it's completely off. Back fender's back on. Seats on. Most of the way. So we found out that the generator motor that my dad had that he was originally gonna put on his rototiller will fit my bike. And it has 7 horsepower, which is like 1 more horsepower than my other bike has with the like heavy duty motor on it. So we're gonna put that on. The only thing we need is a gas tank. So we gotta find a gas tank for it. Either a actual gas tank or just the normal motor mounted gas tanks from other mini bikes. And then I just gotta get a throttle assembly, a brake assembly, a headlight, chain, clutch, basically everything. I need everything. And then once it's all done, I'm gonna paint it probably purple and green. I think it'll be cool. Got this tank from my uncle off something he was building and never finished. It fits perfectly. The back clips right in. We'll be able to make it go right to the motor. Basically, once we get the tank all set up and the whole bike done and ready to paint, I'm going to make sure that I mask off the stickers because they're the original Yamaha 125 stickers, and I thought they were really cool and would be something cool to keep on the bike. Once we do paint it, I have decided I want to paint it a dark purple, but I was also thinking of adding sparkles to the paint, kind of like metal flakes, but just normal glitter, either blue or chrome, silver, I guess. So basically one of these two here. I really like the one on the left. Hopefully that's how it turns out. But the one on the right is pretty cool too. Hopefully it turns out like one of the two, not completely different and weird. Also would like for the frame, gonna paint the frame lime green. So probably the one on the right here or the one on the left. Haven't decided which shade I really want, but either one's really cool. Just really hope it turns out how I'm envisioning it. Envisioning? What am I, a scientist? Picturing it. Lord. I don't know big words, I just use them sometimes. Stay tuned for a sneak peek into some of the videos I'll be releasing really soon. Day number 407 of being stranded in the boondocks with no gas. Starting to think the trees are talking to me. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this and a lot of other stupid stuff.